gonna hit my smile lines with this, with a bit of baking. Hi peeps, Jellybaby here, and I'm going to do another My Little Pony look. Today I am doing Spike, and I'll put a picture down here of them, or down here, whichever way. I can never remember which side it's supposed to go on. On an unrelated note, I felt like I should say, because I haven't actually said this in any of my videos so far, but I would like to say that I am no professional makeup artist. I have never had any training in the makeup field. Everything I know I've learned from other YouTubers, other people, my mum. It's not professional. I just thought I'd say that. You know what, I haven't got my choker on. Be right back, 2 seconds. There we go, I've got my choker on now. I feel all empty. I forgot to put it back on like 3 days ago. Anywho, apologies for this situation. I don't know what to do about this. I have a window behind me, so let's get right into it. And I am so excited because the whole point of me doing this My Little Pony inspired series basically was A, really love how the My Little Ponies look. I've always loved them, even when I was younger. 2, I love their colour schemes. And 3, I wanted to try and break out of my colour comfort, because although I do wear a lot of random colours together, I always wear the same random colours together. I always either go for yellow or pink and red, or pink and blue, or just pink and insert another colour. This was my time to try some new colour combinations. And I'm excited for this one because today we're doing purple, we're doing lime green, green and purple. And I've never ever done a makeup look that is green and purple. Let's jump right into it because I'm going to be talking forever otherwise. As always, I'm going to be using my MAC Prep and Prime because I am a creature of habit and I don't like the other primers that I have. And I'm just going to rub this in with my hands as always. Not gonna lie, there's not a lot of like super new stuff. I never really changed my face base, to be honest. For my next step, I'm going to be I'm going to be using the makeup, well, I keep saying Makeup Revolution. They've changed their name to Revolution now. The Revolution Foundation Fast Base, I think this is called, in F1. To buff this in, I'm going to be using my Real Techniques Beauty Blend. Well, it's not technically a beauty blender, it's a face sponge, but you know, one of these. My little eggs with a flat surface. It's a bit dirty. No matter how much I clean this, it won't come out. Dab that in. And then just gonna put some on my neck. Something has leaked in my bag. For concealer, I'm gonna take the Conceal and Define by Revolution in the shade C1. I feel like I should probably get a lighter shade of this, but it's almost run out anyway, so I might as well just use it. And they have got a new shade out, which is slightly paler. Just gonna put it under my eyes, a little bit on my chin and more forehead. Beauty sponge and blend it in. For powder, I'm going to use the Stay Matte by Rimmel. First off, I'm going to take the base. I'm just gonna coat that a bit, like so, and I'm just gonna hit my smile lines with this, with a bit of baking. Put this on my smile lines because they're vicious. I mean, I don't really bake, but I'm just gonna take a big powder brush. This one is one of the limited edition ones by Makeup Revolution, and I'm just gonna powder down the rest of my face. And don't forget the ears or the neck, because I always do. For my eyeshadow primer, I'm going to use Focus and Fix by Revolution. For my first colour in my eyeshadow, I'm going to take this little Bleach London palette, if I get out, this little guy. And I'm going to take this shade, I'm going to use this shade to set the primer. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this palette, which is my Soph's Revolution palette, I'm going to take the shade Pancakes first, which is this one here. I'm just going to run this through my crease. I'm then going to take the shade Iced Coffee, which is this one. I'm going to go back to my Bleach London palette, and I'm going to take this green shade here. Start by slowly adding this in the crease. Then using the Revolution 2018 collection, I'm going to take this shade and use that to carry on building up the crease. Now we got the green down. I'm gonna leave the base of my eye a nude colour because I like to live life on the edge. I'll leave the eyes for a while and come back to them later, but well, not the eyes, but like the eyelids I'm gonna leave for a while. As always, I'm taking my Jumbo eye pencil in Milk, and I'm just gonna use this to line my waterline. For my inner highlight, I'm using the unicorn hearts, but I'm just going to be using the green portion of it. I'm going to pack that into my inner eye. My inner eye? You know, the inner portion of my eye. I'm using this liquid lipstick. What is with my words today? I'm using this liquid lipstick by Too Faced, and I cannot remember the shade name, and for some reason it doesn't say what shade it is on mine. Using the little doe foot, I'm going to put some on the back of my hand, like so, to do my winged liner, but with a twist. I'm probably going to be back in 4 hours. I'm going to start by doing like a normal winged eyeliner, but it doesn't have to be super pointed. Now for the difficult part. Now because Spike has a really cute little like one of those dragon pointed tails, you know what I'm talking about. I thought it'd be fun to try and recreate that with eyeliner. The only thing is, this might be really hard. It's a lot bigger than I wanted, but now I'll be back soon. Just gonna do the other eye. Pray for me. Done. It's not perfect, but next thing I want to do is take an eyelash curler and curl my lashes. For the mascara, I am using my Lash Sensational. Nothing unusual. Going back to this little unicorn highlight little unicorn highlight, I'm going to take the green again, my nose, and taking the purple shade in this highlight, I'm going to use this for my cheekbones and my brow bone. Taking this angled brush, which I use for my eyebrows, I'm just going to use this green that we used for the eyeshadow and use this to fill my brows in. Now granted, it doesn't show up as much as one would like, but it's just to give the impression of green. For blush, I'm going to take Blushing Hearts by I Heart Makeup, and I'm just going to take the lighter 2 shades, just this corner. And last but not least, I'm going to finish by putting the same liquid lipstick we used for the eyes on my lips. And we're done. I will say, this was my favourite look in theory, but not in execution. Like, the eyeliner, it could be better, not gonna lie. I think I need to get more practice in with my liner probably. Make sure to like this video if you liked it. If you haven't seen the rest of my My Little Pony series, do go check them out because they are some of my favourite I think this is the first one that I've kind of like fudged, to be honest. All the rest of the looks, I actually loved how they looked. And make sure to subscribe if you'd like to see more. If you would like to hear more often from me, make sure to follow me on Twitter, where I went on a bit of a rampage this week because honestly, the TV shows are trying to kill me, I swear to God. Steven Universe's reveal that was mind-blowing, Riverdale reveal that was mind-blowing. What next? What next? But yeah, that's all from me. See you in the next one. Have a sparkly day. I don't know. Bye!